Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can remove a weird spacing between your words in your Microsoft Word document really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. So head over to your document on Microsoft Word, and as you can see, I created an example text like this here. And as you can see as well, there are these weird spaces between the words, and now I would like to get rid of these. Now, there's a simple trick you may apply here, guys. The reason, or the main reason for these weird spaces, is usually that you may have enabled, for example, a justified alignment here at the top. For example, guys, if I highlight the text featuring these weird spaces, you will see here in the Home tab and here in the paragraph section that the justified alignment may be selected. For example, accidentally. If that's the case, simply highlight the text and switch from a justified alignment to a left alignment, just like that, or use the shortcut Ctrl-I. And that is going to fix the issue entirely. As you can see, these weird spaces have been removed, and that's all the magic behind this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.